In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Etsy products to Shopify. We'll walk through the whole process using an app called Etsy Importer and Sync by SP. This tool connects your Etsy shop to your Shopify store so you can bring your listings over without having to recreate everything manually. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you can manage products, orders, and apps. If you're not there yet, log into your Shopify store and you should land on this dashboard automatically. From here, look towards the top of the page for the search bar inside the Shopify admin. Click on Search. This search is really helpful because it lets you quickly jump to different parts of your store, including your Apps section. Now, in the search results or navigation area, click on Apps. This will open the Apps page in your Shopify admin, where you can see apps you've already installed and discover new ones. On the apps page, find and click on All Recommended Apps. This option helps you browse tools that Shopify suggests for different use cases. We're going to use it as a shortcut to get to the Shopify App Store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This will open the app marketplace in a new tab or within your admin, depending on your setup. The App Store is where you can find thousands of apps to extend your store's functionality. In the App Store search bar, type in Easy Importer and Sync by SP. As you start typing, you should see matching results appear. What you're looking for is the app called Etsy Importer and Sync by SP. When you see that, click on it to open the app's details page. On the app details page, click on Install. Shopify may show you the permissions the app needs to access your store. Review these if you like, then confirm by clicking Install again when prompted. This second confirmation is just Shopify making sure you're happy to connect the app to your store. Once the app is installed, you'll land on its main screen inside your Shopify admin. Here, look for a button that says Connect Etsy and click on it. This will open a new window where Etsy asks you to log into your Etsy account securely. Enter your login information and authorize the connection so the app can access your Etsy shop data. After connecting, the app will ask you to choose a pricing plan. Pick the one that best matches how many products you want to import and how often you need them to sync. Once your plan is selected, you're ready to start importing products from Etsy into Shopify. The interface will guide you through choosing which listings to bring over, and from there, the process is very simple and straightforward.